Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Figma files to Google Drive step by step clearly. Open your Figma project. Go to the top menu and click on the File option. Select Export from the drop-down menu. In the Export window, choose what you would like to export. You can select specific frames, layers, or the entire file. Choose the appropriate format for your export, such as PNG, JPG, or PDF. Click on the Export button after selecting your options. Your file will be downloaded to your computer. Now, open your Google Drive in a web browser. Log in to your Google account if you aren't already logged in. Find the folder where you want to back up your Figma files. Click the New button on the left side of Google Drive. Select File Upload from the drop-down menu. Locate the Figma file you downloaded on your computer. Select the file and click Open to begin the upload process. Wait for the upload to complete. Once the upload is finished, you can see your Figma file in Google Drive. Consider organizing your files into folders for better management. You have now successfully backed up your Figma files to Google Drive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.